Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing the Battle Cats again. We might finish like the Empire of Cats. I don't really know if we have time. I'm pretty sure we do. So let's use everything that we have because I'm pretty sure we're gonna go conquer the moon. Because yesterday we saw it said like conquer the moon and you get free rare cat tickets. So yeah, I want them. Wait, Gabatoto! How did I forget about Gabatoto? He's back! He's level 3. Where the heck did you get that? I don't think he gave you me. Well, anyways. Yo. Come back in 6 hours. Anyways, we're going to be using some speed ups. Because we gotta go fast. A rhino? Well, let's use the new cat. Jurassic Cat Sitter. Go! See, we evolved him. He's been with us from the start. Look at him go. He's murdering everything. Anyways, there's a rhino. I just realized that did I say there was a rhino before? I don't really remember. Come on. Go! Castaway! Go every single cat! What makes him freeze? Here we go. Come on, go! Destroy their base! Destroy! Alright, anyways, I want to slow it down again, I'm deciding no. But anyways, there's another rhino. There's another muffin rhino. Or that is muffin instead of the other word. Anyways, Mexico! We're gonna go conquer Mexico because we can and we'll get What did I just say? Bro, what did I mean? What did I mean by that? Still don't know. Go Jurassic Cat Sitter. Wait, can I do the Jurassic Cat Sitter? What is that? I don't really care. Go destroy the base! You have a job. You have to destroy Mexico's base. Bam, 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 bam. Fire the cat cannon. Bam. Give some time. Stop. Oh, 2 kangaroos! Take this. Here we go. Let's go. Castaway. We have Castaway. Castaway! Hold on. Upgrade. This is kangaroos. I'm gonna give us so much money. Here we go. And I'm pretty sure Mexico is defeated. Victory is out. Sweet, because I want to evolve Apple Cat before we go to the last battle, which is the moon. We're at NASA. This is how you know you're gonna go to the moon. We're forcing NASA to work for us, so we can go to the moon and see what's up there. We just look for 1 second. And then we're like, so alright, we got what we wanted. Go back. We just went back. Plus, we're cats. How are we gonna breathe on the moon? Yeah, we're fine. I'm kidding. Come on, bro. Why Why are rhinos? They may be new, but they're tough. He didn't die in about 2 seconds. He died in about. And now he's frozen. Smack him. He's frozen again. It's 3 times in a row. Oh, we didn't hit it for the fourth time. We did not hit, but for the 5th time we did. And he's dead. Said did the cats. Said did the squad of destroy. We haven't seen Sushi Cat at all. I've just been zoning everybody else except for Sushi. Sushi just goes 2 miles per hour at this point. This guy just spin it round. Destroy the base. No, now we need to destroy the base. Destroy it. Please. Destroy it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's a lot of XP. Anyway, we have to use speed up, so you have to go fast. We'll use our speed up. Let's go. We'll go with the Las Vegas. Las Vegas. Speed up. Go. Go, artists. Destroy them. Here we go. It's a bear! Bro, I realized things when it's too late. 2 minutes go by and I realized that I am not in where I want it. Attack! Destroy the casino. Destroy it! But die. Die, casino. Let's go! Victory! Let's go. Hollywood. Wait, what? Why? Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Wait, watch. Alright, okay. I don't care right now. I'm going to take Hollywood. Go, artist! Destroy! I just realized the music changes for these levels. Anyways, artists. Us artists will destroy the world. Victory! Oh, missions. The 45th. Alaska. Speed up. Go. What is too? RS. There are too many squirrels. Get them. Get the squirrels. Money. $2,000. 2 failed. Dandelion girl. Let's go. Oh, this should be easy. I regret saying this. I truly regret my decision of saying that this is easy. Come on. Ah, come on. Destroy the base. It's getting closer to death. Go on. Yeah, ring girl. There we go. Cat ticket. Mikey, it's time. Come on. Give me something good. Power. Yes. Castle, we have 1. Let's use it. Spin. Give me EXP. I'll turn you into EXP. I'll turn you into EXP. Ooh, that was a lot of EXP. I need EXP, alright? I need to evolve. Face cat. Anyways, Hawaii. Hawaii. Bow, 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 bow. Alright. Well, yo, let's go. Go, destroy them! This is so good. Such a good cat. Super good. Cat's away. Go, 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 go! Spread out the whole entire front row! Artist, start! Oh, the wheel! He's dead, what? Go, apple! Come on, let's go sushi! Sushi cat, out! Send out the front row! Attack! Destroy him! Retro base, retro base! Get him! Get him! Get him, boys! Get him! Easy claps! You may hurt this baby slow, but at least he's super good! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Beat Hawaii! Let's go! Whoa! I got 2 rewards in a row. Anyways, we can evolve Apple into Face Cat. That's weird. An apple turns into a face. Whoa! We're at the moon. Let's go. Attack to the moon. The battle begins. What? It's a face. But we have a face cat. Which face will be victorious? By the way, are we sure this is a moon or not the cave? Well, anyways, go get them, boys. We have to send out the face cat. Well, at this point, I'll name him the face. We're going up against a big boy. Oh! Did he just watch out? He just watched out Arctic. This is not a drill. Emergency. He just watched out an artist cat. Ooh, this cat took a hit. Come on, give me that cannon. The cat cannon. Give me that cat cannon. Cat fire! Ah! Castaway! No! Oh, it's Castaway! What is this thing? It's a monster! It doesn't whip everything that we have! It's too strong! It's too dangerous! To be left alive on the moon! Come on. Ah! Dying one by one. Maybe we need to summon our Uber. We might have to save up for our Uber. Sorry. We have to. We need to have the clash of wars. We need to have some war. The Uber versus the man who has a face in a game. And it's floating. Come on. Die. Another! No! Face, get us some money. Get some money. Bam. Good job, Face. Again. No, Face! There's a kangaroo now! Bro. Well, I don't think we're gonna get our Uber out. Come on. Get him. Let's go! Let's go! We got our Uber. The Uber's out. Now it's time to beat him up. Give him. Show him everything that we got. Whoa, we knocked him back. Fire the cat cannon. Let's go. Blast him. She does some damage. She's doing some damage. Bam. Come on. Blast him again. There goes the whole entire front line. Smack. I need to get some more money. Triple kangaroo. Get some money. Go, cats. Go. Destroy him. Bam. Bam. Hit again. Ringo, no. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got him. Big face on moon down. Come on. All we need is defeat this. Destroy the base. Wilbur did some work doing lots of damage. With 2 FP, the other's castaway for carrying us all the way to the moon. Come on, destroy it. Come on. Come on. Let's go! We destroyed them. We got victory over the moon. Eh? What's this? What is this? After all the battles, the world was overrun by the battle cats. A government of the cats, by the cats, for the cats, is the new world. Or that's what I thought. Oh, you cat down here. In the end, nothing really changed. Well, if I have to say something, I see a lot more cats nowadays. That's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, I had a cat come to my office for a job interview. He didn't get in. We might be really busy. But a cat. It's just a cat. Whoa, it's like I didn't know that. However, I do feel lucky if I see one. There are cats everywhere. In the office, or at school. Wouldn't you? I see them all the time. It's normal. Anyways. Congratulations to the Battle Cats. Thank you, Battle Cats. Battle Cat forever. Huh? Is it just me or did I just realized that there's a broken city in the back? Z and thank you for playing. Nah, don't tell me that's the end of the whole entire game. It can't be. It can't be the end of the whole game. No, it's fading away. Well, stand. Wait. Alright, I'm just gonna skip this. Alright, back here. What? What's this? Oh yeah, okay, read it. A book? Deals there, book. Hallelujah. And let's see the missions. 50? Anyways, wait, let's see. Is it the end of the Empire of Cats? Clear Empire of Cat Chapter 2 and get Valkyrie Cat? What? Be a free cat. Rare Captain Steve. Doku War God. Let's do something good. Something good. I've heard that he's bad. He's pretty bad. Come on, something good. Something good, please. I will gladly use my artist cat. What? Let's do one for Dragon of the Young Pigs. Come on, be something good. Be something good. Wow. I'm pretty sure we got a new cat. Let's check it out. Maybe it's a special. Oh yeah, we got Monaco. Anyways, I'm pretty sure that's some 5. That's 5 cat to me. Bam. We do it one more time. Dragon the Emperors. Give me something good. My god, what the... It's a bishop cat. Don't ask how I know its name. I know a bishop when I see a bishop. Let's upgrade Sushi. He's level 9 now. Wait, let me look at my team. What? Why is everybody so expensive? Wait, we can't use our Uber anymore. No! We have to put a replacement. Who's replacing our Uber? It's not gonna be Juliet. Why is everybody more expensive? Just realized that. Joe? No, I ain't giving him a chance. Ooh, Titan Cat. I'm gonna give him a chance and upgrade him. Okay, you have the chance to prove yourself worthy. Anyways, I would like to hope you guys I would like to thank you guys for watching today's video. Today was a crazy video. We defeated a floating face on the moon and got 3 rare cat tickets. Got scammed. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.